how to install the landing or pool for MagicJump's 6-in-1 combo. Ensure the inflatable is fully deflated. Start by securing the hook and loop fasteners located on 4 sides of the air tube. Make sure not to leave any gaps. Tuck away the air tube vinyl cover. Now, secure the hook and loop fasteners that connect the slide to the pool or landing. Start off by connecting bottom hook and loop fastener and follow through with top fastener. Pull the slide lining over the landing or pool. After inflating, your 6-in-1 combo is ready to go. To remove the landing or pool, simply reverse the steps to set up. Once your landing or pool is removed, pull the vinyl cover over the air opening and secure with hook and loop fasteners. Secure the slide fastener. Pull the slide lining over the fastener.